Good afternoon, sir. This is Chain Reddy, studying BTech third year in mechanical engineering. Today, I am explaining the topic about thread cutting. Introduction to thread cutting. Thread cutting is a machining process used to create crotchets on a workpiece. It is essential for assembling mechanical components securely. The process can be performed using various techniques and tools depending on the application. Thread cutting. A thread cutting is a helical shaped groove formed on cylindrical surface workpiece. Thread cutting is an operation performed will be same as that of thread. Types of threads. There are two main types of threads, external and internal. External threads are cut on the outside of a cylindrical part like a bolt. Internal threads are cut inside a hole like a nut. So this is the external male thread and internal female thread. Methods of thread cutting. Common methods include single point cutting by threading and tapping. Single point cutting is typically used on lathes for precise threads. Die threading and tapping are more suitable for mass production and fast operation. So these are the thread angles and thread models. So thread angle crest to row to minor diameter, major diameter, pitch. These are the thread angle parts. Tools used in thread cutting. Single point tools are used or precision external and internal threads. Dies are used for external threads while taps are used and internal threads. The choice of tool depends on thread size, type and production volume. Material suitable for thread cutting. Common materials include steel, aluminum, brass and plastics. Material hardness affects tool selection and cutting parameters. Proper cutting fluid should be used to reduce heat and tool wear. Thread cutting process on lathe. The workpiece is mounted and aligned on the lathe for accurate cutting. The tool is used to feed on along the workpiece from the thread profile. The process may involve multiple passes to achieve the desired shape. So this is the figure for clearing the threads. Thread measurements and quality control. Threads are measured using thread gauges and micrometers and optical comparators. Proper measurement ensures thread meets specified dimensions and tolerance. Quality control is essential for ensuring compatibility and safety for assembled parts. Common problems in thread cutting. Issues such as tool breakage, uneven threads, and incomplete cuts can occur. Proper tool selection is set up and parameters minimize these problems. Regular inspection during matching helps detect and effect detects errors easily. Safety precautions in thread cutting. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment like goggles and gloves. Ensure machine guards are in place and the works area clean. Follow proper procedures for tool handling and machine operation to prevent accidents. And these are the thread cutting operations. So you can clearly see in the pictures in threads. Some some pictures are not visible, so this is the total thread angles. You can clearly see in that the upper part and the lower part is the major diameter and the lower inside diameters are called minor diameters. The gap between the two threads is known as pitch. The upper part of the thread angle is known as crest. The lower part of the root is known as root. So can okay, thread cutting process on a lathe. Workpiece is mounted on a lathe. So you can use the proper tool for selection and setup follow proper procedures for prevent accidents. Conclusion and applications: thread cutting is vital for manufacturing fasteners, fittings and mechanical assemblies. Advances in CNC technology have automated and improved thread precision. Understanding the principles of thread cutting ensures efficiency and high quality production. So this is the PPT about thread cutting. Thank you, sir.